In the last tutorial, how to use Google Vision API on Drupal site part 1, we saw how to use the label detection and the safe search detection feature in our Google API. In this video lecture, we would be seeing how to use the Google Vision API for user emotion detection, filling the alt text attribute of the image file, and to group the similar images based on the dominant colors. So, starting with the first one, that is filling alt text attribute of the image file. Google Vision API module allows autofilling of alt text attribute of the image files using label detection, logo detection, landmark detection, or optical character detection as is chosen by the end user. So, step-by-step instructions as given below. First of all, go to Manage Field section of the image file type. Here it is. Now, click on Edit. Then select the desired feature from the options listed under the Fill Alt Text by using which you would like to fill the alt text and save the settings. So scroll down, select any one and save the settings. So after the settings being saved, now each time you create or update an image file, you will find that the alt text gets filled automatically. So let's check it. Go to /file/add, upload any new file. Suppose this. And click on next. Here you see that the alt text is filled by Taj Mahal. Now save it. And this Taj Mahal has the alt text field saved as the Taj Mahal, as you can see from here. Similarly, you can also check it out for other options as well. For example, let's select label detection. Click on Save Settings. Go to any file /file/add and upload a new file. Say this one. After it is uploaded, click on next, and you can find that the alt text is filled with the same value as is the first one of the labels. So this was basically our filling of alt text field using various features offered by the Google Vision API. Our next task is user emotion detection. This feature is especially important if you do not want your site users to upload sad or unhappy images as their profile pictures. First of all, go to the Manage Field section of the account settings. Here it is. Click on Edit. And here, click on Enable Emotion Detection and click on Save Settings. Once it is enabled, go to /admin/people/create and create a new user. Say abc@abc.com. abc password is this. And when you upload your profile picture with a sad image, for example this one, you get the message here, please upload a photo where you are smiling and happy. But you can create your new account. This would not affect the account creation or would not hamper any of the processes. It would just give a message saying, please upload a photo where you are smiling and happy. This being done, now check what happens when we disable it. that is disabling the enable emotion detection option and clicking on save settings. Now let's try to create another user, say xyz at xyz.com, xyz, xyz, and this. Now if we give the same sad picture as your profile picture, no message appears. No message to say please upload your picture when you are smiling and happy. So on creating your account, this won't show any of the messages about your emotions, about the emotions in your profile pictures. So this is basically how the user emotion detection feature works. Next we have another use case displaying the similar image files. So another use case for the Google Vision API module is grouping the similar image files which share the same dominant color component red, green or blue. By similar contents here, we do not resemble that the objects or the image files would resemble each other. They may not resemble each other, but here what would happen is if two image files share the same dominant color component, then they would be grouped under the similar contents. So step-by-step instructions are: when you enable the module, a new vocabulary named dominant colors is automatically created and enabled for the field referring to taxonomy vocabulary which stores a dominant color. You do not need to do anything here in the first, but make sure that the dominant colors is enabled. So let's see. Click on edit. Now see, the dominant color is enabled for our vocabularies. So save the settings, go to /file/add and upload a new file, say this one. Click on next. And here you can see that the labels contains all the three dominant colors, as our picture was basically black and white, so all the three colors would appear. Now click on save. Now here is our image. The black and white panda, and here is the tab similar contents. On clicking it, you will see the list of all the image files which have either red or blue or green component, which were all those present in the previous image. So here is the list. These are basically the file names which you can manipulate or change as per your usage. So let's check another example. Now let's give a colorful image, say this one. Click on next, and here you can see that it contains only blue component as the dominant component. So click on save. After the file being saved, go to that file and check the similar contents. These would basically be only those components which have only blue as the dominant color. For example, see this. This contains blue as its dominant color. So this is basically how our displaying the similar image files works. These were all the use cases which we have in our Google Vision API module. Thank you for watching the video.